Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, y'all, I'm going to assemble the shovel. I'm going to do what the directions say, even though they don't seem to make sense to me. Okay, there's a Roman numeral 1 and a Roman numeral 1 there. It's going to match up. And I have to make sure I put this in the right direction. So the curve is supposed to go that way. And they said make sure the square, see that square, is at the top. So this is the top. This is the back side of number 1. Oh, that's 2. Where the other part fits into that. See, I'm lining up these 2 number 1s. You'll see it. Okay. Pushing it down until the holes match up. A little more. Oh, I want to show y'all something. And this plastic cap is on this. So this has to fit down in here. I'll put it on the floor so I can, without hurting my hand. Okay, I can't do it that way. I'm trying to work it down so the holes line up. Let's see about this side. Not quite. Almost. Let me do it this way. Okay. Almost. All right, perfect. The holes line up. All right, let me look at this again, make sure it's in the right direction. It is. Now put the screw in. Okay. Put the little screw on. Put the little screw on the square side. It's a square hole and the round hole on the other side. So I'm put this little screw in. It's supposed to go all the way through. And this is the way the other screw looks. There's a hole in it, so this little screw can fit in here when I put that in there. This goes in here. I don't want this screw to go all the way through. Now, let me just do this. Put this in here. And use this little bitty wrench to tighten this and make connection with this screw so that can fit inside of here. So I'll go off camera to do this so this ain't so long. Okay, I put this in here correctly. Alright, now I'm put the next piece in. And you see this square is at the top on the side facing the shovel. Okay, here's the next piece. Number 2 and number 2. So match up these. There's a square piece here. There's a square piece here. Match them up and this slides down inside of here. holes match up. Square hole and the round hole and the two matching Roman numeral 2. And the word is supposed to show on the front. Okay? I'm gonna put these screws in. And what you do is you put this little screw with this kind of head to it. Push that all the way through. If it don't go through, then make sure these holes are lined up. Push it all the way through before you attempt to put this other one on. It's the other one. It has a hole in the screw, and this is supposed to fit in here on the back. Oops. That's the way it's supposed to go. See that? It goes in there. But you have to put this in first. Make sure it's flush with the pole before you attempt to put this in, because it ain't gonna work. Don't ask me how I know. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and put this in here, and I'll be back. Okay, I have to work this handle so this screw will go in. I'm pushing it all the way through. Okay, it's in there. So now I'm gonna put this in the back of it. And then it will become flush. You can do it partially with your hand, but then that's where this little wrench comes into play. So I'll be back when this is in here good. Okay, the middle part of the handle is on there. So now I'm put the top. It says number 3. And on this side, number 3. See that? And once again, all the squares are toward the front. There's a square. There's a square. This goes over. This goes over that and slides down. And line them squares up so the screw can fit through. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do that. Once again, you put this little screw in first, in the front. And you have to work the handle to make it fit, do it. Y'all see what I'm doing? Putting this in here. I'm rigging this so this screw will go all the way through. And it will. You just have to work it. It ain't aimed toward me because I really can't see, because I'm trying to let y'all see. I think my hand's in the way. Okay, I worked it, so it's in there. See that? So now the other piece goes. This piece goes in the back hole here. And I can tighten part of it with my hand. Then I use that little wrench. Oops, that pushed it out some. There it looks. I'm gonna drop this thing 11 times. start out using this end, and then when I need to tighten it more, I use the short end. Put that in there. It's almost at that point. Now I'm going to use the short end right here. Come on, get in there. See now? What you call that, torque? Need more torque. I ain't sure if that's the right word. I just heard it before. Need some more leverage. Okay. Ugh. So follow your directions, y'all. Don't do what you think is right, because you think the directions are wrong, like I did at first, and I had to take that tightened screw out. That was the hardest part about doing this. Okay, this is fully put together. Okay, I'm gonna raise this so y'all can see. Okay, y'all. Shovel is complete. Got this kind of handle, got a little bend to it. It's supposed to save your back. Look at that. Ergonomic snow shovel. There's a lot of padded grip, but of course anybody out there shoveling the snow are gonna have on gloves. So let me raise this up a bit more. I'm all up in y'all face, ain't I? So this is the TRAZON Ergonomic snow shovel. I think it's nice. Well, we never had one like this before. I see the lady next door to us, she got one. They got a funny shaped handle. So I said, we need one of those. So Walter was around here looking for duct tape to tape up the handle we got that we've had for years and years and years and years. So I saw this on Amazon and I said, let me get it. So I got here yesterday. This is tall, y'all. Shoulder length. I'm 5'9½". This is tall. Okay. So you use it as a shovel or a pusher. You want to push the snow. If it's soft enough to push, just push it and push it over to one side. Because I know Walter, he don't need to be lifting no heavy, wet snow. Okay. Oh, took Walter no time. He just went out there. Wow. I can't focus. He gone so fast I can't focus with the camera. Where you at, dude? I made it too. So he don't have to lift it. Well, he lifted that, but I was just push it over to the side. He enjoying his new shovel. Mm-hmm. I don't know why you're picking it up. I wouldn't pick it up at all. I would just tilt it. So we got a wide 3-car driveway. Okay. Good. Now he shoveled the back walkway. I don't know if he did the front or not. That has to be much easier. He's shoveling stuff he don't have to shovel. Like it's fun. And the snowplow has not been down our street yet. That's bogus. You don't have to bend way over like he usually does. Plus the shovel is as tall as he is. Okay, let me go mind my business. Yeah, he did that walkway good, but it has salt on it from yesterday. But the porch is covered. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, I'm showing my nails, y'all. I'm proud of myself. I finally learned how to put on press-on nails properly. Don't they look cute? And I like the short oval shape the best. I had on square ones. That ain't for me. Okay, I'm gone for real now. Bye. Thumbnail. Y'all don't see me.